We moving.
Right.
Right.
How do I change my name for a starter? I need to like. I don't like it.
I don't know.
Is it like Gorilla? Better.
Right, let me just make our recipe.
Wait. Which one's mine and which one's yours?
No.
Check your cheeks for the camera.
The silence in that was crazy.
Just let's blood it. Why can't I go up the tree? What? Inch climb time. What?
There we go.
EFN.
Where did it just go? No, I'm not happy. Just disappeared
It's
on
gone.
me.
Where did my pickaxe go? Sure. Wait,
There we
wait,
go.
wait. How do I empty my backpack?
It went.
Oh wait,
wait.
it's here. It's here. I got my grappler.
I mean, that was mine, but okay.
No. How do I?
I can just buy another one. Got 7 million. I've got 7.5 million.
Got 7 million trillion. Epstein.
There we go.
I'm gonna
Then
cut
get
all
the
this bit out. I'm gonna cut all this bit out, cause like, you know, this bit's just not important, this bit's just like, making stuff.
It's disappeared again. What is it doing? It's disappeared again.
What?
Oh wait, I know why. Oh, that's why. There we go. Right, what is happening here? It's taking me ages just to make. It's gone again. It's gone again. What? The game's gone.
What's going on?
Wait, let me eat it.
What do we even need?
I'm trying to do this then. There we go. Then. Yes. Then we get the torch. Right, there's yours done. Put it on your bag. Put it on your back. Brooklyn, put it on your back.
Where? Epstein. EFN, EFN, EFN.
Drop it. Drop it.
No!
Pick up the bag. Not the stick.
This is for EFN.
There we go.
Yay!
Now I have to make myself one and I have to go for the... Don't go mining yet.
I know, I'm flying around. I'm literally Spiderman. This take. Whack!
Ah,
This
'cause
one's
it's a
for
certain way it has to
Epstein.
go on. Then we get the torch.
I'll save myself. I ain't even got like a pickaxe. Like, how do I even get a pickaxe?
Take that, it's on the floor. It's where I am. I have to buy everything. Let's go on the fun adventure.
Well, bruh, I just started again.
Let's go on the fun adventure.
Wait, it's not really fun, is it?
Chat, this guy stinks. I disappeared.
No, this is
I'm
the bit where
back.
I'm gonna
I disappeared.
Oh,
Right, let's go. No, let's just skip the ores and just go all the way down. You can pick at these purple ones if you really want, but they don't really do it.
I mean, you might as well, because they're apparently the best things, aren't they?
Yeah, they're called the research ones, and they're like really hard to get. Right, let's go to the space thing again. Go, 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 go. Just follow me, chat.
This is like where we got to, like,
No, it's a space thing, and then I
This
just...
is where I died from that like scary.
Yeah, not... Because she... I don't know, when it appears, if you look at her with the... If you like point the torch at her, she like jump scares you. Same with the anglerfish, yeah. If you point the torch at it, it doesn't like light, so it just like charges for you. Right, this is how it begins.
No! Oh! Goose! No, I'm fine. Oh yeah.
Yay! Mine it all! Wait, I'm gonna eat one of these mushrooms. I'm pretty sure they make me like really big. Brooklyn, am I big? Brooklyn. Do I look big? Bro, Gibbons.
Yeah, I got like a crate.
Do I look big?
Wait, let me get it. I got it.
Wait.
How do you?
It was just ammo.
What is it?
Ammo. Whee! Bang! Bang! I'll bang you on! Hurry up! Ah! No!
Where did you go?
I'm here. Ah! Wait, why is there an orbit? Wait, when I let go, this like a... Wait, what if I go inside this line? Wait. What happens there then?
Where are you?
Oh wait, wrong way. I'm at the pink thing. Chat! This won't work. Chat! Right, let's go back.
It's so echoey.
Wait, what does this mushroom do? Ah! Why is everything so small? Why is it small?
Why are you so big?
Ah! Wait,
How are you so
eat
big?
the mushrooms. Drop something and then like eat the mushrooms. Right, just drop it on there, yeah.
No, what?
No, you gotta like hold. No, you gotta hold it in your mouth. You gotta like hold,
gotta
it
hold it
like
in
that.
Yeah.
Get one. Small. The big axe. The big axes.
Oh my god!
The big axes are tiny. I can't even get through the hole. Wait, what? Come.
Yeah, I'm gonna win.
Wait, why is everything so small? Wait, has it made the map smaller? Is the map been shrunk, or we've just got bigger? Because these look tiny. Oh, I went back to normal. You're so big!
Fishbowl. Oh yeah. The pickaxe is so big.
Yeah.
Graves, what the? Graves!
Yeah,
There's like a thing.
the white thing. Yeah.
Where is he? Where did my
Killed it. Oh, I got another grappler.
where did my pickaxe just go?
I don't know.
I've
What?
just dropped my pickaxe. I don't know where my pickaxe went. Oh, it's over there.
It's my big axe.
How did it end up over there?
What's over here then, Ref? Oh, scary looking. I'm stuck. bang, 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 I'll bang you now.
Bang. Captions. There's gonna be like a whole YouTube video. I'll upload this to YouTube. Not
See. Get, where'd my Drapula go? Chat,
What?
chat, my Drapula disappeared.
It's here. It's here. It's here.
Ooh, Drapula.
That's literally exactly what happened to my app.
No, where'd the box go? What the?
What? What's that? I'm floating.
Oh,
makes
it's
you
like a
float.
zip line thing. Oh, I shouldn't have
That's better. Oh, there's only one.
wasted it. Yeah. Where'd my pickaxe go?
Exactly. I think we need to get out of this.
Bro! Oh my god, bro. Man, this guy's stupid.
Looks like the watch moved in hard.
Then we move in quiet. Careful.
Means trouble's brewing.
Down. Looks like the watch moved in hard.
Then we move in quiet.
I mean, I have to go all the way back. Brooklyn! Me, this guy is so stupid, bro. Oh, I bet he's too scared as well. Chat, this guy stinks. Chat, this guy stinks so bad.
Bruce?
This guy, bro.
Where did you go?
Follow me!
I found you, Raptor. It's right there.
Right, come close to me. Come on.
Hello.
This is where I went. You wasn't close enough to
Oh.
me. I have to come all the way back just to fetch you, bro. Right, follow me. Right, follow me.
Okay.
Whee! Whee! Right, so what's
No,
there
I
to do? Oh no, my drop.
How do we like sell the orbs?
Oh yeah,
Or
oh
whatever.
yeah. Drop both of them.
What do you mean?
Drop
Both
both
of
the
these?
things, yeah. Pick that up. In your left hand. And then you get crowbar.
Yeah.
Right, hold it down. So you see like a little aura around it. Then let go.
Yeah.
You teleport. It's a teleport gun.
Wriggle sticks?
And then get one of these. Just pick up this. Right, let's go. It's cost. It can't. This is.
Oh, no.
It's all made out of metal, yeah. And the Drapula doesn't really detect metal.
The grappler doesn't work in metal, right?
Yeah. Run!
What the?
Run! Chat, run! The chat!
How did we survive?
Don't go on that. Watch this, yeah. Run. Go to like here. Go to like here. Go to here.
Yeah.
Can't get me now.
Oh my god. There was that people. There was people. I did it.
Run!
What the?
No,
What is that?
It's the spider.
Is it like red light, green light?
Yeah. And if you move, you're dead.
How do we kill it?
Ooh. Watch out!
Wow.
Run.
Epstein. I'm just kidding.
There's another one. What?
What the?
Right, let's go kill it. When it goes green, go in. Oh no, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Don't. Run! Brooklyn, what are you gonna do, yeah?
Yeah.
You're dead as well.
What do we do?
We spawn.
Did we just die? Bruh. What happened?
Right, so now I have
How
to
did he
make.
come alive?
Oh,
we ain't got the backpack things.
I know it's really annoying, isn't it?
Well, you've got like a trillion billion thingy things.
Right, there's your come. There's yours one. Come.
I went like to the top of a tree.
Right, that one's yours.
Yay. So we can't use the grapplers in that bit.
No, because it doesn't work. Because it's.
That's where I went before. I recognise that place. That red light, green light place. I need to get up.
Teleport gun. That's yours. That's yours. That's mine.
I'm coming down.
That's mine.
Pew, pew.
It's this one and the crowbar.
So that.
Left hand and right hand. Right, let's go.
There we go. Let's go.
You might see the lady run away. Oh! Shot! No! Brooklyn, run! Brooklyn!
Wait, I'm going to how do I get you? What do I do?
You gotta like grab me. I can't move. This thing. You got
What do I do?
Drop like the crowbar.
What the?
Wait. Stay there.
Yeah.
Right, I'm back, chat. Couldn't be any better. No! It's there again!
Run! Good.
Right, now I've got. Now where did I die? Where'd my stuff go?
Surely because you respawned, your things respawned.
No. I'm dead. Ow! They're still killing me. Ow! Yes! I got a flamethrower. I can't grab it. Stay away from me! I'm a flamethrower, I'm not afraid to use it! No, you died, I killed you. No! Born. Oh my.
How do we keep dying?
I told you it's really
What
hard.
are we doing wrong?
It's really hard. Right. That.
Hold on. What can I get? Let me guess. Absolutely nothing. I just found like a lost city.
Yeah, I know.
I just found like a lost
Oh yeah, but
city.
oh
like,
wait, let
what
me
the
take you
fuck?
there because it's Carson area. There's Carson
Wait,
area
what?
in there.
That's
Don't go
not
yet.
it.
Yeah, that's yours. Straight after I show you it, it's gonna go back to the sewer. Oh, I'm on an
Yeah.
item cooldown. What? Bro,
So what happens then?
gotta wait, bro.
For what? How long?
A lot. Wait, let me try the different shot. Let me see if that works. Oh. Come on, give me a stick. And a stick and a torch. There we go. Where'd the other goo go? You have it, don't you?
I just found something else.
What?
There's like a weird thing behind this wall.
Yeah, no, there's nothing really there. Then teleport gun and one hand. Right, follow me.
Wait, hold on. Let me get.
Right, let's go.
There we go.
Right, let's go. I got this. Wait, what? Oh.
What the?
It's Carson area. Ah, I'm stuck in the wall. Oh, I'm outside the map now. Oh wait, no, I'm not. Hello.
I was about to say.
Ooh, I'm in the closet. Come try find me.
Take,
Right, let's go.
take.
No, let's go to the sewers. I'm stuck! Stop stuck! Oh wait, no. Oh,
What?
you can't teleport in this area. Right, let's go then, chat. Yeah, this is
Let's
definitely
go.
This is definitely gonna
Yeah, this
video.
is definitely gonna be a YouTube.
Be careful. Be careful for the worm thingy. If it sees you, you gotta get to the place quick. Brooklyn? Gibbons. Come on.
How did it not spot us that time?
No, it's the red light, green light thing. Don't ask what this is. Ow, I died.
Wait.
Yeah,
How do I rush you?
yeah, I'm coming down. You gotta grab me.
How do I grab you?
There we go. And then put me to my body. Then leave it for a second. Thank you. Run!
Why is there like so many of them? Oh, watch out!
Don't get hit by it. It does like It does like half your health.
Again!
It does like half your health. Yay! Now we're back. Brooklyn,
Let
you're
me get
dead. Brooklyn, you're dead.
Get juiced! Get juiced! Get juiced! Get juiced!
No, you're dead.
Ah!
You're dead.
Oh my god!
We spawn. Ooh. That was
I swear
down.
down. Bro, I juked him as well. And then like, what happened after that? Like a spider spawned in.
No, yeah,
He
spider
started
spawned in, and then the
hitting me.
thing
And
grabs
then
you.
the big thing got me.
Yeah, it grabs you and then like squeezes you to death. It's like very grim.
I'm gonna get on the phone because I feel like, hello me. Let me shake my guy up. I'm gonna cut like all of these bits out where we die. Like not like where we actually die. But like this bit, this type of bit. Like
Oh
where
my!
we get
It disappeared again.
right. I'm gonna end my video.
Yeah, just put it into two separate. Yeah, put it in two different.
Looks like the watch.